In this video, I'm going to teach about the conditional probability. Conditional probability is one of the very important topics in probability and in almost all the exams in high school maths, senior maths and college maths. Some questions, they always come on conditional probability. As the name indicates, it depends upon the condition. It means some condition is given that has to happen first before we calculate the probability. For example, we are working out the probability of B given A. So PRA goes in denominator, but the condition is this, that PRA should not be equal to 0. Therefore, the formula for conditional probability becomes probability of B given A such that probability of A intersection B divided by probability of A. The key advantages of using conditional probability, the main advantage is this, that the event space becomes less. It means when the reduced event space, the chances, the probability of getting the desired outcome will increase. Let us see how we solve conditional probability with an example. There is a box which contains 50 pebbles and those pebbles are numbered from 1 to 50 and we are picking one pebble randomly such that it is a multiple of 3 and given that it is less than 21. So it means there are two things which are given here, that the pebbles, whatever I am picking, should be less than 21 and it has to be a multiple of 3. So let us see that I represent the total sample space which is less than 21 by a set S. So number of pebbles in S are 20. Second thing, what we need to work out is that any pebble which I pick from the box has to be a multiple of 3. So let us work out. 1 is 3, multiple of 3 is 6, then we get 9, or we can get 12, or we can get 15, or we can get 18. So how many total numbers which are multiple of 3? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Therefore, if I work out the probability of multiples of 3 in set S would be 6 out of 20. If I further simplify, I get 3 out of 10. So based upon the condition probability, we can work out the pebbles which are less than 21, but multiple of 3 is 3 out of 10. It's pretty simple. And if you want to learn more on conditional probability and the applications where it is used extensively is in insurance and economics, we use joint conditional probabilities. For example, we use in different financial methods, we use conditional probability. We also use in some questions where there's a die which has a defined condition. For example, chances of coming at a given number. And it is extensively used in Bayes theorem, which deals with uncertain events. For example, stock markets crashing randomly or some events happening without any proper conditions defined. So in those scenarios and examples, definitely you can contact Newton Classes Australia, and please keep watching our channel in YouTube. Thank you.